just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Chacha, not club style Chacha, Ballroom Chacha. Improvers Solo Routine number 1. This is a very short recap of a lesson taught on the 13th of December 2021. So if you're in the full paid video library in my website, you need to look on the 13th of December 2021 in the Solo Ballroom and Latin plan, on the Improvers page that is. I'm going to turn around and face the front. A lot of the steps at the beginning of this routine were very, very basic. It was the first time we were moving from beginners up to improvers, so I included a lot of the beginners steps. We're going to do 2 basic steps on the ladies' timing. You can see me about here, good. So back, replace, cha, 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 forwards, replace, cha, cha, cha. New Yorkers, right foot steps through, New Yorkers. I did this 4 times, it's up to you, you could change that. Remember, this is just to give you something to think about working and practicing. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. 2 more basics, 1 to the back, 1 to the front, and this time 4 hand to hands. These are all our beginners steps, so I'm stepping back, replace, cha, 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 back, replace, cha, 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 back, replace, cha, 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 and back, replace, cha, cha, cha. 2 more basics. Back, cha, 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 and forwards, cha, cha, cha. Now the new technique for this particular class was the hip twist into the fan. So I'm going to step back, replace, cha, cha to the front, pivot on the right foot. I use the left, I collect it, and I'm going to walk forwards, forwards, pivot, cha, cha, back, close, forwards, cha, cha on the right. Now I didn't bother putting any turns at the end of the fan. We're just going to go straight into Cucarachas or side basics. And a cha, 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 side, and cha, 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 side, and cha, 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 side, and cha, cha, cha. We then did a little Cuban break, 3 different timings. I'm going to do 1, and a cha, 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 and a second one on a cha, 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 standard timing, okay? So they're little diagonal ones to the corner, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now, slow corner rocks is a very slow version of the Cuban break. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, okay? Now you can change from one corner to the other, and I did this in the lesson, so you could go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the last one, hold the 1 count here in the center, transfer the weight, look at the other corner, and then you can go over here. So don't take the next one back into the corner. Take the 1 as a holding step, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, okay? So I'm holding, I'm going to keep the weight here, all right? Now, fast Cuban breaks with standard Cuban break timing, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, do it again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Guys, that was a very, very short summary. So we did basic, backwards and forwards. We did a couple of New Yorkers, maybe you could do 2, 4, 6, up to you. We did a couple more basics, backwards and forwards. We then did some hand to hands. We added in a couple more basics. We did a hip twist. We went out to fan. We didn't put a turn at the end of the fan. We did Cucarachas or side basics. And then we looked at corner rocks, Cuban breaks, and changing the timing on those. Guys, this is just a very short summary. The full class explains a lot of the technique, the foot articulation, and so on. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.